What's up guys, this is Clement from RecTech Reviews YouTube channel, and yeah, I know it's been a long while that I've not uploaded any videos on my channel, so I thought let's give a one more upload on this channel, and this time it's a unboxing video. And as you can see on your screen, it's a Skullcandy Uproar wireless product. This is the headphone that is available, and the model number is, I feel it's on the top of the box, it's S5URHW-509. You can see it here, and the pricing on the box is 5,499, but I feel you can get it for a less expensive on the local retail shops. And let's see the features that is available for this wireless headset from the Skullcandy. So as you can see, the first feature you can get is Bluetooth connectivity. That's but obvious because since it's a wireless headset, you get a 10 hours battery life. That's a massive one. You do get onboard microphone and volume buttons also. As you can see via the image, you do have a volume up, volume down, and the button to take and end calls. So let's not waste the time and let's see what's else into the box. I've already opened the box much before that, so the contents will remain the same. When you open the box, you do get the USB cable to charge your headphone. Let's just keep aside, and this is the cable to identify this. It's from the Skullcandy. Yes, this is from the Skullcandy. This is a USB, and this slot is for charging the headset. Yeah, I'll just show you later where the section you need to charge the headset. And this is the headset. I do have a black color variant with me. Yeah, let's keep this to a side. Yes, this is the headset that I'm have with me right now, and on this right hand side, as you can see, it's written as R. So this is the right hand side. On the right hand side, you do have this volume plus button. This is the button to take and end calls. This is the volume down button. You here, I feel you can see, this is the LED light. When you turn on the headphone, you do get an LED notification. And here, this is the section to charge your headset, and I feel it does take 1.5 hours to charge this headset to full battery. Nothing here. And on the both the sides, this end, you do have a Skullcandy logo. It's very nice, comfy buds here, and on the top also for your head to stay fit and comfortable here. So to charge, I mean to on the headset, you need to just press this button. Yes, this button for 1 to 4 seconds. So let's try. Yeah, within 4 seconds it does turn on this headset, and as you can see, it's turned on as a blue LED notification. So when you pair this headset onto your phone, I feel you'll get a name as Uproar Wireless as mentioned on this box, and it's very easy to pair. It does takes only few seconds to search for this device, and it does connect very easily. It's a very easy setup. I've experienced this headset for a while now. It's been along like 15 days, and the headset is very comfy. You do have a good sound, good bass, good amount for this price. Since the price of the product is as comparative, it's like 5,400, so you can't uh, expect more than that, but around for this price it's really good. Nice, soft, you can at least have a good sound quality. I recommend for this those who are listening to music, the music lovers, for this section it would be really good. So as of now, that's it for the guys. Thank you for guys for watching this video. If you do like this video, please give a thumbs up for this video, and please share it to all those people who love music so they can at least try this headset. Thanks guys.